Well, as you can see, I'm in my office. It's loud downstairs. My grandkids are here, so I just came upstairs. There's good light in this bathroom, and I wanted to show you something I got in. As you see, I got two fine finish blades, and I got two 16-tooth kind of framing wood blades. Those are for the M12. And what I wanted to do was I just kind of wanted to tell you that last week I bought a new Diablo blade because nowhere around me had the Milwaukee blade. So I had to buy a Diablo because they are an odd size. As you can see, they're 5 3/8. Jeff and I, we cut some wood last week with it. We finished some more playground equipment, putting wood on it. And so I used it a little bit, videoed it. And I really didn't have a beginning to it. So I just kind of wanted to set it up before I show it. It's not probably much to it. I don't even remember how much we videoed, but I just wanted to show you because it wasn't really fair the other day when I was using that M12 circular saw because the blade was just wore out on it. And we put the new blade on it and it worked really good. I'm just going to do a little video of cutting with this saw because I got a new Diablo blade for it. Here we are, we got the new blade, new Diablo, and I like the guide on Milwaukee a lot better than the DeWalt I've got. A lot smoother in it.
Sure is.
Today.
Why does it cost a blade?
Yeah, new blade.
Yeah.
I just wasn't yesterday a real fair test to that. It was a fair test on the power it had because I was having to push it and bind that blade pretty hard and it didn't choke out. But this new blade, man, it went through there just like butter. We got to make a rip here. And so we're doing it with the new blade on this. I think this saw was kind of mad at me because I did that video yesterday and with an old blade on it that was dull, and I shouldn't have probably done that, but I did. So let's see how much easier it rips now with this new blade. Whole lot easier, a lot smoother, not loaded. Just to be fair to the saw, we're gonna cut a 2x4 in two, treated 2x4, because yesterday it was a little struggle. New blade. Get the butter knife. Boy, cut it smooth, didn't it?
Sure did.
Yeah, yesterday just wasn't fair. That blade is wore out. Probably hit nails, no telling what. No, I don't even know how long it'd been on there, so you can see the difference in it. Now, it's not a saw you grab it and just run it through there like you can a bigger saw, but you know, it'll do the job. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. That's just a little fair test of the saw. It is a great saw for light duty work. 1x4s, Luan, 1/4-inch plywood. And I just wanted to be fair about it because the other day it was struggling with that old dull blade on it. I thank you for watching. I just started ripping out a bathroom today, so I'll get you some video on that in a couple of days. Y'all have a blessed day.